Hi everyone, I'm Danya, I'm 12 years old, and next year I'm going to be grade 7. The title of my favorite book is Roller Girl. The author of my book is called Victoria Jamieson. Victoria Jamieson received her BFA in illustration from Rhode Island School of Design and has worked as a children's book designer before becoming a full-time illustrator. Victoria Jamieson has lived in Italy, Australia, and Canada. The type of my book is fiction, and this book has two genres. It's graphical novel and comics. The main character in this book is Astrid, which is the girl who follows her dream to become a roller skater. Yeah, her best friend Nicole and her second best friend Zoe. This book contains 16 chapters, it's 240 pages, and I guess it took me 1 week and 5 days to read it. I spent 2 hours for reading daily. I enjoy reading. I enjoyed reading this book because roller skating is one of my hobbies, and it's also a funny story. I learned roller skating when I was 10 years old, and I practiced my roller skating in the park. There's an area for roller skating, and it's one of my favorite hobbies. My roller skates are pink and white. I learned a lot about friendship in this book, such as not every friend deserves to be called a friend, and when you put your goal in front of your eyes, you'll aim it. In the beginning of the story, Astrid and Nicole, her old best friend, they were really strong best friends, and when they break up, like her friend leaves her, Nicole, for only a little, like a simple thing, because Astrid liked roller skating and Nicole didn't. So Nicole left her and she broke up with her best friend only for a club. My favorite quote from this book is, "I could keep running in battles and live in fear, or I could just embrace the fear." This quote means you cannot keep running from your fears. At some point in life, you will have to build up the courage to face and overcome them. Once in my life, I had to face my fears, for example in roller skating. I was trying to roller skate, but I fell twice the times, and then I left it. But then I said I have to try again. So I just passed my fears, and I tried again until I learned. I recommend this book especially for those who achieve their goals under all the circumstances and obstacles in their life, because this book mostly explains how to have a strong personality and throw all your problems behind your back and just follow your dreams. Now I would like to introduce you the comic book from the inside. This is my funniest part in the book. It says, "I woke up in the next morning feeling nervous plus sick." Nersick. Nersick is a new made-up word, and I also enjoy making up new words. For comic book, illustrations are very important, and illustrators have to pay attention to what they're doing. In the end of the story, Astrid became a roller skater, and she had a new friend who's called Zoe, and she was her best friend. And her other friend, Nicole, her old friend, she had another best friend. So she also has, she's a fan of one of the most famous roller skaters, and their names are real. I would like to meet a real roller skater, and my favorite roller skater is Rainbow Bite. Today we're going to learn how to use our peripheral vision to help us read faster. In the last episode, we practiced reading and underlining at the same time. For this, you can use your index finger or your OK. Make sure to make the whole hand motion, not only the finger. And while your finger is moving left and right, just follow it on the page. Grab your book and practice now. Just feel how it feels. Now connect your peripheral vision. This vision allows you to see a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right without moving your head, just when you're looking straight. You don't have to go all the way to the right and left margin because your peripheral vision already picks up the last word without going that distance. From now on, use your peripheral vision while reading. Thanks for being with us in this episode. Read fast, read smart, love books.